Your first drive in your ID.3. Everything at your fingertips. You are in charge. Control your ID.3 intuitively and safely using the multifunction steering wheel or the central display. In addition, there are touch controls that provide quick access to all features. The multifunction steering wheel in the ID.3 has two touch-sensitive control panels that provide tactile feedback. The right one controls multimedia functions and the ID display. You can also use it to activate the natural language voice control system as an alternative to saying "Hello ID." The left one provides direct access to driver assist systems such as ACC and travel assist. The light and sight control panel can be found to the left of the ID display. You use it to control the lights, window heating and windscreen ventilation. Or simply select the function Auto, and the car will always select the most appropriate settings for you. You can easily access all functions of your ID.3 via the central touchscreen display, which works just like a smartphone. Tapping and swiping is all it takes to control all relevant vehicle functions. The message center displays various notifications, and you can also use it to customize the layout of the central display. The home screen, with its user-configurable tiles, provides an instant overview of all the data you'd like to keep track of. Select your preferred temperature and volume settings by using the convenient touch sliders. The direct access panels below provide shortcuts to the menu, driver assist systems, driving profile selection, and air conditioning settings. With the ID display, key driving data such as range, driver assist systems, gear selection, and navigation are always in view.
Volkswagen.